All right, to get started with Python theory, I'll keep few topics for the day, like we can discuss about what is Python variable, what is Python comment, what do you mean by Python input statement, what do you mean by Python print function, what do you mean by data types. Might be this topic we can take it today. All right, so I'm gonna have some sort of quiz at the end just to see how much you have captured. Okay, so whatever I'm gonna explain next 30 to 40 minutes, just go through it. I'll also give you the reading material, PDF material that you can go through it. So those who are enrolled will get this. Those who are yet to enroll will get once you enroll to the batch.